Good afternoon, Pop Pops Bees, Funny Bug Bees and Woodworks. This is swarm number 78. Caught last week. Lucas just picked it up. He got married this week. We've had family members sick, so haven't had a chance to install them. I've also got number 79 for the year over there on a stand. I'm going to install them next. He wasn't able to get a video on that one because he picked it up at night. Like I said, with weddings and everything else, so I really don't know what we got in this box. We're going to all check it out, I guess. See what it look like. Boy, parents get older. Oh dear Jesus, they've been in there a little while, looks like. These curls are rocking and rolling. This may turn into a cutout. I may have messed up these being in this box this long. Yeah. We got comb down in the bottom. These girls are going in a 10 frame. I'll tell you what, we just go ahead and do that because I got comb on the ground. Bottom of this trap. Oh my goodness. Let me reposition the camera so y'all can see. More than likely this was a feral swarm and they've been on cotton. The feral hives do quite a bit, and they will swarm later in the season, especially when there's a flow like we get on cotton, because they don't have anybody adding space to them. These girls are full. This is a pretty swarm here. So let's see if we can get a frame up. I don't know how long they were in there. They're working on drawing that out. We got some ugly. They're on cotton here in the yard. You see all that nectar? Because we got cotton planted back here. Put that in the center. See if they can straighten it out. Definitely got a queen. All that's laid up. Nice, pretty. Single laid, pretty band of honey around the top. That's pretty frame right there. I'm gonna give these girls some fully drawn frames that I had in the freezer. So she can keep building up. So we definitely don't have any issues. I don't know if that comb on the bottom broke off when they moved. When he moved this one, drawn up, and they're backfilling on her. They're trying to. Got some ugly comb there, but as long as it stays, got some ugly comb on that side. I'm not going to tear it down until I spot that queen. I don't want to mess it up unless I've seen her. This frame here is outstanding. Let me hold that up there. Boy, this one here is ready to pop. She's ready to bust on this frame. Make sure I don't see that queen down there on that bottom. Full of nectar. Y'all wonder why I love cotton so good. That's it right there. All that fresh nectar being brought in right now. Girls is in overdrive. Don't see the queen. Get that cleaned up. Pretty drawn out, laid up. You get over here, see if I can see the queen. Definitely don't want the queen to fall off outside. Good looking frame. I do not see the queen down here. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean that off. Get that off of there. Hopefully when that comb that's in the bottom down there broke out, it didn't damage her. I haven't seen her. I'll put this frame to the outside. I got quite a few bees festooning over there. A lot of bees in the bottom of this box. Get that out of there. Wet nectar up there. A lot of bees in this box. A lot of wasted resources down here in the bottom too. Break off of there. That's a nice swarm. When I come back and do a good inspection on them, I'll find that queen and do a mite check. As healthy as this is, it could very well be an abscond. So definitely want to check the mite on them. Make sure that's not an issue. Check, make sure I don't see queen on here. Alrighty. A lot of wasted resources there, due to the fact that they had drawn so much in the bottom of that box. There are a lot of bees in that box. Pretty swarm, and all 5 frames pretty much drawn out. Hopefully the next one don't look that bad. Papa's bees, I'm gonna get this one wrapped up, and then we'll install swarm number 79 that I didn't get a video on. It's sitting over there on that stand with a ratchet strap. So let me wrap these girls up and we'll be good to go. Please like and subscribe. That was swarm number 78. We're going to install 79 next. Papa's Bees, Funny Bug Bees and Woodworks. Please like and subscribe.